unboxing another subscription box. This time it's Ipsy Glam bag. I resubscribed to the bag and I will have it on my channel for a while. Let's see what I got for this month. And I have in here a bunch of add-ons. Also, speaking about add-ons, BoxyCharm will have add-ons too. They will make some changes in the subscription. So from now on you're gonna be able to choose a product from them. For the BoxyCharm, the regular box, and also between 1 and 3 products from the Luxy one, which I think it's great. They will have many other changes, which I think it's a great way to improve the subscription. So we'll see how it's gonna be BoxyCharm starting with next month. In the meantime, let's see what I got for my bag for the month of September. And I have in here also some add-ons from Ipsy. So this time we have a cute bag and I like the zipper. Let's see what I got in my bag. As I told you, I had the subscription a while ago. I canceled it and now I resubscribe. We'll see for how long I will keep this one. Then let's see what we have in here. I saw the spoilers, of course, and I was happy with my box. It's September 2019, Find Your Light. September, it's all about new pets and possibilities. So whatever is going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. So I have in here 5 products, and they say here, good news, Mercury is not in retrograde this month and your 5 glam bag products have arrived. Allow us to densify them for you. So they say also here, your glam bag just got better. New, choose a product every month. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products, which I think is great. Then we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Save the date. Pick up to 5 add-ons. You'll now have access to make samples and full-size products from 100 plus brands, and get $50 of value in every glam bag. So Ipsy is improving too. I think they are doing great since they came with the box. Next month we'll have the ultimate one, which I will have also on my channel. We'll see. That one is $50. So far I'm pretty happy with the glam bag, which is 25. We'll see what's gonna be the difference between those 3, because I will have the 3 subscription on my channel: the glam bag, the glam bag plus, and the ultimate. In the meantime, let's see what I got in the bag for September. And the first thing in here, it's from Smashbox. This is Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation, and here is the size of this one. I'm trying to see a shade in here. It's shade 2.16. This oil-free matte finish medium to full coverage foundation is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to even out your skin without setting into pores or fine lines. The best part, it lasts a full 24 hours. No touch-ups required. Of course, it's a dream for each one of us. Place a dot on your forehead, chin, nose, and each cheek. Blend well using a brush, sponge, or your fingertips. I think this is a good sample. You can get several good usage from this one. And the shade is 2.16 golden. We'll see how will match me. So far we have a foundation sample, we have a Murad product, and this is Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, Hydrant Intensive Hydrodynamic, 7.5 ounce. And here is the tiny jar. This rich, yes, yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut, fruit extract and avocado oil to instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve your skin texture. Advanced hyaluronic acid technology helps keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Massage evenly over a freshly clean face, neck and chest AM and PM. So a moisturizer from Murad. Then the third product in my box, it's a full size product, and this one is Ofra lipsticks, Ofra and Madison Miller probably, or my Ray Ray lipstick. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra, the Gaeta, not so sure about, and beauty lifestyle blogger and mom Madison Miller features highlighting pigment and shadows, glosses, blushes, and more. This airy liquid lip formula evenly coats your lips in a generous beige mauve color that won't feather or fade. Start with a moisturizing balm, then swipe across lips. So here is the full size. And here is the shade of this one. So far I do like the shade. So Ofra lip full size, it's not bad to get in a big sample. Then we have from Skin Iceland. This is a product that I can't wait to try. Is this sample right here, and this one is all of Skin Iceland's formula. This is the Icelandic Youth Serum. Are made to combat the effects of stress of your skin. This serum is infused with healing ingredients sourced from Iceland like glacial water, cranberry seed oil, and Arctic cloudberry to address dullness, dryness, even skin tone, and premature aging. After cleansing, smooth this serum all over your face and neck morning and night. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. So here is the sample of this one. We have in here 5 milliliters and came with this tag. And the last product in my bag, it's an eyeshadow from the Beauty Crop, eyeshadow in Serene. The falls behind the Beauty Crop create simple, effective, hyper performing products inspired by healthy living, utilizing plant-based ingredients and natural oils in everything they make. This metallic plum shadow is buttery smooth, rich, pigmented, and perfect for fall. Let's see. Very well packed. So the packaging looks like this. Pretty nice with the holographic print. So far I do like the packaging for this one. Okay, finally, and here is the color. I think it's a pretty nice color and very creamy. That's a beautiful shade actually. So here is the shade for this one. It's a pretty nice plum shade. So so far I'm happy with my bag. I think it's worth it the money, considering that we have a full size lipstick. So far I will enjoy all the products. I don't think it's something that I wouldn't like in here. So I think it was a good month. Now as add-ons I picked up 5 products, and the first one is from Henko probably, is the Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum, quite in a generous size. I don't know if it's a full size or not, probably not. This one comes with, it doesn't say how much is in here, but anyway, it's quite a good size. Then I picked up the coconut water cream from First Aid Beauty, another sample which I tried. I had in my probably one of my last empties another one like this, and I love this product. Smells wonderful and feels wonderful on the skin. A product that I always pick up, it's from 111 Skin, a brand actually, not only this product. And this one is the Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Here is the sample, and I picked this up also in the Glam Plus in the box. 111 Skin comes very often in Ipsy offers with wonderful prices. Then another product that works for me is the 8 Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness. Is this one. I tried this one in samples of the week because I have so many products. I'm not gonna buy the full size, but I will pick up the deluxe samples, and it's a product that really works for the redness on my cheeks. I'm not using it every day, but when I'm using it I see results. And the last thing that I picked up as add-ons is the pharmacy mask, and I have 2 of them. And I got the hydrating coconut gel sheet mask and the brightening coconut one. So that's kind of all for my bag and add-ons. So far I'm pretty happy with what I got this month. We'll see what's gonna come next month. Lots of good changes in the Ipsy and BoxyCharm also. Let me know how do you like your bag, if you have the bag or the box. I will see you guys in my next video. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.